Now, during her visit to Angola, President Murmu attended a number of programs. She held talks with Angola's president and also addressed the Angolan parliament. On Tuesday, she attended the 50th Independence Day celebrations of Angola in Luanda.
President Draupadi Murmu on Tuesday concluded her successful visit to Angola, where she attended a number of events. On November 9, President held one-to-one meeting and delegation-level talks with Angola President. President Murmu welcomed Angola's decision to join the International Big Cat Alliance and the Global Biofuels Alliance. MOUs on cooperation in fisheries, aquaculture and marine resources, and on cooperation in consular matters were exchanged on the occasion.
अंगोला की साझेदारी आपसी विश्वास, परस्पर सम्मान और हमारे लोगों के समृद्धि भविष्य की साझा दृष्टि पर आधारित है। हम द्विपक्षीय साझेदारी को बढ़ाने और क्षेत्रीय व वैश्विक मामले में विचारों के आदान प्रदान के लिए निकट सहयोग कर रहे हैं। हमने नए क्षेत्रों में व्यापार और निवेश संबंधों को और विविध बनाने पर सहमति व्यक्त की।
On Monday, President addressed the Indian community reception event in Angola. President said that partnership with Angola is rooted in equality, mutual trust, and shared aspirations for progress. She stated that India's engagement with Africa has evolved under the framework of the India-Africa Forum Summit. Besides, President Draupadi Murmu also addressed the National Assembly of Angola at Luanda. President Murmu highlighted that a history of anti-colonial struggle and democratic values are shared linkages between India and Angola. While India is the world's largest democracy, and Angola is one of Africa's most vibrant democracies.
भारत विश्व का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र है और अंगोला अफ्रीका के सबसे गतिशील लोकतंत्रों में से एक है। दोनों ही इस विश्वास पर आधारित है कि प्रत्येक नागरिक की आवाज़ मायने रखती है और शासन का उद्देश्य कुछ लोगों की ही नहीं बल्कि सबकी सेवा है।
President Murmu visited the Memorial Agostinho Neto in Luanda. Agostinho Neto was the first president of Angola who had led the popular movement for the liberation of Angola in the War for Independence of Angola. President Draupadi Murmu later visited the fortress of St. Michael in Angola. Before her departure for Botswana on Tuesday, President Murmu attended the 50th Independence Day celebrations of Angola in Luanda. Angola gained independence from Portugal in 1975. Bureau Report, DD India.